In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get list ID in ClickUp. If you're connecting ClickUp to automations, integrations, or API calls, you'll often need the unique identifier for a list. The good news is you can grab that ID right inside the app in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through it and share a few tips so you don't accidentally copy the wrong thing. First, open ClickUp and head to Overview for your workspace or team space. You can get there from the left sidebar by selecting your workspace and then choosing the Overview section. This view gives you a high-level look at everything in the space, making it a convenient starting point before you drill down into specific folders and lists. Next, navigate to the list whose ID you want to copy. From Overview, click into the appropriate space or folder and then open any list. In ClickUp, a list is the level where tasks actually live. You'll know you're in the right place if you see tasks in rows with columns like status, assignee, and due dates. If you're looking at a folder or a space, click into the specific list inside it to proceed. Now, with the list open, look for the three dots menu associated with the list. This is usually near the list name in the header area or top toolbar. Click that three dots icon to open the menu and select Copy ID. The list ID is immediately copied to your clipboard. That's the exact identifier you'll use in integrations and scripts. A quick tip to avoid confusion. ClickUp also has three dot menus on individual tasks. If you click a tasks menu and copy its ID, you'll get a task ID, not a list ID. Make sure you're using the three dots tied to the list itself, typically at the top of the screen beside the list title, rather than a menu inside a specific task row or task details pane. If you don't see Copy ID right away, try expanding the window, switching to the standard list view, or hovering over the list title. Also, depending on your permissions, certain options may be hidden, so ensure you have access to view and manage the list. Once you've copied the ID, you can paste it into your documentation, automation tool, or integration settings. It's usually a short alphanumeric value that uniquely identifies that list in your workspace. And that's it. Go to Overview, open the list you need, use the list's three dots menu, and click Copy ID. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy building with ClickUp.